Welcome to new Peugeot 308, and let's show you around the car. First thing to notice is the new grille and the new badge. This is the first time we've seen the new Peugeot Lion. We've long history and heritage with using a lion as our emblem, and this is the latest iteration. It's the first car to see it on. Behind the badge, we've got the forward-facing radars. This is all the safety equipment that normally takes place and normally lives behind another square on the grille. Now it's behind the badge, it's all neat and unobtrusive and integrated within the car. LED headlights on both models within the range, or two models of LED headlights, the regular Eco lights and the Matrix lights, both brilliantly white lights. The Matrix lights have the ability to tailor the beam pattern to suit oncoming traffic and to suit the speed that you're travelling and the type of the road that you're on. Absolutely brilliant to use, and you won't want to go back to ordinary headlights afterwards. Coming around, alloy wheels across the range, one 16-inch, one 17-inch and two 18-inch wheels. These are the 17s, this car being the Allure Premium. All along the side of the car, lots of little styling details and touches that are partly there for aesthetic to make it look good and partly for aerodynamic reasons. We want the car to slip through the air as smoothly and as cheaply, as economically as we possibly can do it. Integrated indicators with the door mirrors. When you see the different models within specification, you'll see that there's gloss black on the GT Premium at that point. These are matte black. Everything apart from the Active Premium is gloss black at this point. Again, if you see a GT or a GT Premium, you'll see exterior side skirts along the bottom edge of the sills there to give it that more sporty premium appearance. The shark fin antenna is new for radio reception and for 4G reception as well. The car will do its own software updates as well as doing Google searches and the like for satellite navigation. You don't need to know where you're going, you can search for a destination on the mapping. Coming around to the back, this is the hatch. We've got it in a hatch and an SW estate. Both great looking cars, two sets of rear lights. This is the Active and the Allure specification. If it's GT or GT Premium, it's an angled rear light, representing the lion again. It's the lion's claws on the back of the car. In the boot, nice and usable. Okay, we've got a 2/3, 1/3 split on the rear seat. We've also got a through loading hatch for those trips to DIY stores when you've come out with something long that you didn't mean to go in to buy. Yeah, we can open the hatch and feed through, so fishing rods, golf clubs, etc. will go through that they wouldn't normally fit into the boot. Neat little touch, we've got a reversing camera on all the models, and attached to the camera is a small washer jet, so that when you operate the rear wash wipe, the camera gets washed as well with its own dedicated little washer jet. Petrol filler is over on this side. We've got the car in a 1.2 petrol, a 1.5 hybrid and a 1.6 hybrid. If it's the plug-in hybrid, you've got a petrol filler this side and you've got the electrical plug-in socket on the other side. Really easy to operate, and if you're doing less than sort of 30 miles journey radius, you'll do it all on electric. Longer journey, you'll do it in hybrid mode. So really very, very cheap to run. Coming down to the front, we carry on the lion theme all the way through with the daytime running lights then, which are the lion's fangs. Okay, again, you've got the reference to the lion all the way through. So this is interior of new Peugeot 308. And as you can see, it's got the latest version of Peugeot's iCockpit, which means a small steering wheel, chunky rim steering wheel, and the high level display. So the whole purpose is that you look over the top of the steering wheel to see the dashboard. Story behind it is really simple, in that quite a few years ago now, Peugeot asked a big bank of customers to sample different steering wheels from different cars, and the one they chose was this one. So it was a customer-led decision to put a small steering wheel on the heads-up display above it. Moving to my left, we've got the touchscreen in the middle, very customizable and changeable. We've got built-in TomTom navigation with live traffic in there. Media player, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both now wireless operation as well as wired operation. Underneath, we've got the new iToggles. These are a new line of customizable buttons. We can change the function of them at any time. Really simple to do. It's a 3-finger tap on screen. We select which eye toggle we want to change. If we want to take help out and we want to put media in, we press and hold on help. We'll double tap media, and media then goes in to replace help. We can further customize that. You could select, as in this one, to navigate home on one click, or you could have a favorite radio station on a media button. Underneath, we've got a row of physical buttons for everyday items that you want to get to quickly and easily. Working our way down, there is only one gearbox option now with 308, and that's an automatic. There isn't a manual option. It's a little switch. It's backwards for drive, it's forwards for reverse, with a couple of drive modes, depending which engine variant it is. And connectivity is key. It's USB-C sockets everywhere on the car. So we've got one down the front of the cup, in front of the cup holders. We've got one in the centre console, and with 2 in the rear seats. Interestingly enough, one of the rear seat ones is actually connected to the infotainment screen. So rear seat passengers now can drive the screen. You can take that as good news or not. But that's it. That's a whistle-stop tour of new 308 interior. I think it's stunning, and it's as good as anything else on the market.